Ciao a tutti, benvenuti a tutti. Oggi abbiamo un altro piccolo video su 4 espressioni verbali. 4 verbal expressions. Expressions we make with certain verbs. So, iniziamo. Let's start. Numero 1. Dare sui nervi. It is exactly like in English when you say you're getting on my nerves. It is the expression to get on somebody's nerves, okay? Dare sui nervi. It's quite literal, okay? Except you would say, in Italian at least you would say, to give on somebody's nerves, okay? Dare sui nervi. And careful, lui mi dà sui nervi. Me direct, okay? I am the object, the receiving end of whatever he does, okay? Because my nerves are the receiving end of whatever that person does. Lui mi dà sui nervi perché è molto arrogante. Arrogante. Arrogante is more conceited, but with a touch of violent sort of attitude. You know, it's not somebody is violent, but it's like forceful in their attitudes. Forceful is a much better word. So when somebody is kind of forceful in their attitudes. Arrogante. Lui mi dà sui nervi perché è arrogante. Lei mi dà sui nervi perché è arrogante. Okay. Number 2. Numero 2. Venire meno. That is when something that was there is no longer there. Okay. For instance, let's pick the context of somebody cheating on you, right? You would say that trust is no longer there, at least not initially. You can't really trust somebody who has cheated on you when you just found that out. And so you would say, la fiducia è venuta meno, okay? But that works for all sorts of contexts. I don't know that we would use this in a literal sense when something you thought you had is no longer there. Like you wouldn't say this for eggs in the fridge or anything like that, but more for abstract concepts, okay? La fiducia è venuta meno. Mi è venuta meno la fiducia. Mi è venuto meno something. Venuto meno is the slightly more colloquial version of venire a mancare. Come to lack, come to miss. Okay? Venire a mancare. Mi è venuta a mancare il tempo, mi è venuto a mancare il tempo per farlo. To do it. Okay? Mi è venuto a mancare. This mi is indiretto, so we would say gli è venuto a mancare for to him, okay? Because what we're really trying to say here is to him. To me, to you, to him, to her, to us, to you guys and to them. Gli è venuto a mancare. Okay, numero 3. Tenere a bada. That's like to restrain, to contain, somebody or somebody's attitude, maybe, okay? Tenere a bada. You would use it for sure when you are on horses, okay? You have to restrain horses from doing whatever they want, okay? So, tenere a bada I cavalli, okay? But also metaphorically, it's tenere a bada your impulses, I tuoi impulsi. Okay, so tenere a bada. But also with people. You could definitely do that with people. You could say, lei lo, meaning him, lei lo tiene a bada. So sounds to me like she behaves in a way that is slightly controlling slightly controlling of his behavior. Okay, lei lo tiene a bada. Okay, that could be also for children. Okay, so if it be in a relationship where your wife tells you what to do and how to do it, for instance, it could be a mother with children. Okay, li meaning them, li them meaning also mixed genders. Okay, so at least we have one female and one male here. Li tiene a bada. Okay, so lui or lei, whoever is the subject. Li, them, tiene a bada. And tenere is a funny verb because it's yo tengo, tu tieni, lui, lei tiene, noi teniamo, voi tenete, loro tengono. So there's this NGO for the first person, tengo, okay, and this I, which is second and third, tu tieni, lui, lei tiene. So for tu and for lui, lei. Whereas then it becomes noi teniamo, no I, noi teniamo, voi tenete, loro tengono. So pay attention to that. Okay, last one. Andare a genio. That is when you really like somebody or when you really like an idea, okay? Andare a genio. Genio is genius, okay? So, mi va a genio. Something or someone, okay? It just means you hit it off. You have a great connection, okay? Lui, me, meaning to me. Lui mi va a genio. Lei mi va a genio. Okay? If you want to expand the sentences, you could add perché and then go ahead and formulate a whole nother sentence. Okay? But lui mi va a genio. Loro mi vanno a genio. Okay? So, expressions of today were dare sui nervi, venire meno, tenere a bada, and andare a genio. That's it, guys. So practice, practice, practice. Don't forget to comment below, let us know your sentences, and we'll catch up soon in a new episode. Ci vediamo presto. Ciao. Ciao a tutti. Ciao.